Hello everyone. Today I'm going to talk about our project on the Management Information System for the TV Pusat Sumber Sekolah or PSS. This program helps students learn skills in journalism, media and hosting, encouraging them to be creative and think critically. However, the PSS team has a tough time keeping track of how the program is going at different schools because they rely on old-fashioned manual ways to collect data, which can often lead to mistakes. To fix these issues, we are creating a management information system that will bring all the data together in one place, making it easier to find and use. The system will give the team real-time insights, helping them manage the program better and allocate resources more effectively, ultimately improving the program's quality. Let's look at the problems. Firstly, the team does not have a simple way to access important information about the program at every school. They spend a lot of time gathering data manually, like through emails and forms, which can lead to errors. This scattered way of storing information makes it hard to monitor the program well and to see which schools need more support, limiting how the program can grow. Our solutions include better search and filter options to quickly find schools that need more help. A dashboard will provide an easy overview of what's happening in all the schools. We will also manage and organize student-created content to keep a variety of materials on the program's YouTube channel. At its core, our system will centralize data collection, and our user-friendly interface will make it easy to enter and get data. We will also automate some data processes to reduce manual work and improve accuracy. The system will have several parts. Resource management, handled by me, will keep track of equipment and performance at each school. Kevin will manage how students apply to join the program. Shahmi will help with uploading activity content and documents so they are easy to find. Lastly, Gadfan will manage the content to ensure it stays updated.
Next, I would like to continue with the use case for each module. So the first module is the resource management subsystem. So this module we have two actors, which is the teacher and the JPNJ. For the teacher, the main use of teacher is to update the resources, and for the JPNJ, the main use for this actor is to manage the resources. Next is the use case of student application subsystem. For this use case, student will be a part of the actor, which the student will be needed to fill the application form in order to use the system, and the JPNJ and PPD will also be handling the application form from the student, which they will first process the student application and then notify the applicant at school. Next is the use case of content upload subsystem. For this module, we have the teacher, JPNJ, and PPT. For the teacher part, here will be using the upload activity content use case, and the JPNJ and PPT will be managing the uploading document and categorize content. For the next module, the content management subsystem. This sub- this module will have JPNJ and PPT both managing the content that has been entered into the system. Next is the main use case diagram of the TVPSS management information system. So in this system, we will have a total of 4 actors, which is the student, teacher, PPD, and JPNJ, and a total of 14 use case. So
Okay, so for the mockup for resource management subsystem, we can see here, we can just go to the home page first, and then first it will show to login screen because you have to log in as the administrator to be access the resource management, and then it will show up the screen like this. It will list it will list the resource based on school, and it will list all the school available in the system. We can just go to details and it will show the resource for each school. And as we can see here, there is three menu called all resources, complete resource, and empty resource. So this used to categorize the resource whenever if the school have a resource that are not available. So we can go to here and then it will show up like this: video live. That resource foundation is needing action because it's has zero stock. So what we can do is just update this resource and delete the resource here. So, and next for the student application. Okay. Here for the next use case, student application subsystem. So this page is used to retrieve the data from the applicant. So the applicant can just simply fill in the application and submit the form. Here it will list the applicant uh, for the administrator to manage the application. They can basically check the applicant application by reviewing them by using this menu review application, and after they review and give approval status for them, they can start the application and then click on notify applicant.
So as for my part, I handle the manage content, upload document, and upload content as well as categorize right here. So let's start with upload document. So when the user click upload document, it'll show this screen and they can either press or drag file from their file explorer, for example like this. And when they press upload, it'll basically say document uploaded. And there's also like a flow in which it failed to upload, and then it'll just say failed to upload and it will not update the database with the new document. Next up is categorize content. So let's go with upload content first. So upload content is pretty much the same with upload document, but the difference is when they finish uploading the content, it will show like this. So they can preview what they uploaded, they can change title, description, change the type and category of the given content, then they can confirm upload if it's already suited for their needs, or they can just return and then redo the uploading sequence again. Next is categorize content. So this is for the admin side. Basically all the uploaded content right here, like if some of the user like didn't put the category on them, it'll show not available, and the admin can choose a content and then like set the category to the category that will later be given, like it could be sport, chemistry, physics, English, computing, or other skills. And in case that there is a lot of content with not available that the admin side want to set, they can just use select all and then do the same thing, set category. Right. Next up with the managing content. So it's like managing individual content. The admin can update the content right here and it'll show quite the same like the previous one, the upload content. They can change the title, description, type, and category, and then they can save change and it'll save the entire thing, or they can always delete the content and then just press confirm and then the content will be deleted. So I think that is all for my part.